Hello and welcome to Caribbean Car Culture. Today I have for you the Audio Control 10-inch subwoofer Spike Series model SPK 10S2. Let's get down to the unboxing. No seal sticker. We have manual. So at the end of the video, I'll be putting this manual for you all to see the specs, subwoofer dimensions, frequencies, cutouts, everything, box specs. So at the end of the video, I'll put everything on it. Here we have the whole cutout sheet. Nice thick foam. Here we get something very special. So you can see we have threaded inserts. Get machine screws, Allen key screws. We also have self-boring wood screws, same Allen key also. This is nice. No. So. And yes, it is Bigfoot approved. So you can see a nice honeycomb style mesh grill. I believe this just tucks under the rubber gasket. Yes, it does. Nice blue stitching. Stitched cone, let me see. You have a nice blue metallic basket. It's a stamped steel frame. Audio control. Nice beefy magnet for the size. No, this is more on the budget side, so but it's nice for what you get for the price. Okay, single voice coil. Also there's the audio control logo at the bottom of the terminals. Nice audio control branded boot. Yeah, take off this grill. So this is the grill that you get with the subwoofer, included in the package, not sold separately. Well, it probably sold separately. Yeah? That's you get it with the subwoofer. Now here is the subwoofer without the grill. I had to take off the rubber boot, the rubber gasket, I should say, to get it. So you see, nice blue stitched surround. You have the audio control logo. It almost looks transparent to where you could have a light behind it, but I don't think there's any. Now this, I don't know what to call a surround. It's not a high roll, it's not a mega surround, but let's just call it nice. So it is a decent looking sub. So I'll put the specs at the end of the video, and also I'll do a free air test as I usually do. Stay tuned.